We all experience challenging life events that require immense mental strength. It could be a toxic friend or colleague, a dead-end job, or a relationship that's suffering. Regardless of the challenge, you must be strong, see through things in a new light, and take decisive action if you want to succeed through it. It sounds easy. Everyone wants to have close friends, good careers, and healthy relationship. But it isn't. It's hard to be mentally tough, especially when you've become trapped. It is necessary to be inventive and brave to go into the new direction. It is astounding to see the mentally tough people setting themselves apart from the crowd. Where others see unbreakable barriers, they see challenges to overcome. To improve your mental toughness, there are habits you can develop. In the next few minutes you will hear 10 of them, and you can begin using them today. They're confident. Mentally strong people realize that your mentality defines whether you can be successful or not. This isn't just a source of motivation, it's the ultimate truth. A new research undertaken at the University of Melbourne has found that confident people have significantly higher wages and get promoted more quickly than others did. Those possessing mental toughness have an upper hand because of their confidence, which persuades others to perform, and that makes it possible for them to get things accomplished. They say no. Saying no is a must if you want to be successful. However, if you don't have the self-esteem and foresight to make your no's clear, you won't be able to do it. This is a characteristic of the mentally strong people. Mentally strong people avoid sentences such as "I don't think I can" or "I'm not certain" when it is time to say no. They say no with confidence because they know that refusing to commit honors their existing commitments and gives them the opportunity to successfully fulfill them. Mentally tough people also know how to practice self-control by saying no to themselves. They delay gratification and prevent impulsive acts that cause damage. They embrace failure. Mentally tough people embrace failure because they know that it sets up the path to success. No one has ever had true success without first embracing disappointment. By exposing when you're on the wrong path, your failures will prove beneficial for you to progress. The biggest breakthroughs normally occur when you feel the most frustrated and trapped. This frustration forces you to think creatively, to search beyond the box, and to see the answer you've overlooked. When you fixate on the difficulties that you're experiencing, you create and prolong negative emotions and stress, which hinders productivity. When you concentrate on actions to better yourself and your life, you build a sense of personal efficacy that produces positive feelings and enhances performance. They embrace change. Mental tough people are versatile and are constantly changing. They realize the avoidance of change is paralyzing, and that it is a huge obstacle to their prosperity and happiness. They're looking for a change that's lurking around the corner, and they form a plan of action if these changes arise. Only when you embrace change you can find the good in it. You need to keep an open mind and open arms if you are to understand and build on the possibilities that change brings. You're going to struggle when you keep doing the same stuff as you always do in the expectation that avoiding change will make it go away. After all, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different outcome. They embrace change. We have all heard it many times before: regular exercise is good for you, and it can promote weight loss. But if you are like many Americans, you are busy, you have a sedentary lifestyle, and you haven't yet changed your exercise habits. The good news is that it's never too late to get started. You can start slowly, and you can find ways to fit more regular activity into your life. To get the maximum benefits, you should aim to get the recommended amount of physical activity for your age. If you can do so, the reward is that you can feel better, help prevent or manage certain diseases, and probably even live longer. They get enough sleep. A good night's sleep is incredibly important for your health. It's just as important, in reality, as eating healthy and exercising. Unfortunately, there are a number of factors that may mess with natural sleep patterns. People are sleeping fewer than they have in the past, and the quality of sleep has also declined. Lack of sleep at night will leave you tired the next day. Over time, skimping on sleep will screw up more than just your attitude in the morning. Studies show that getting proper sleep on a daily basis will help to improve all sorts of conditions, from blood pressure to workouts. They limit their caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant found in a variety of meats, drinks, and other products. Its main use is for keeping you awake and fresh. Technically, caffeine is a drug. Some of the most popular drinks in the United States, such as coffee, tea, and soda, contain significant levels of caffeine. Caffeine overdose happens when you consume too much caffeine through food or drinks or through medications. However, certain people can consume as much or more without issues. This isn't recommended since caffeine ingestion can stimulate irregular heartbeat and seizures. Taking high doses of caffeine on a daily basis can potentially contribute to hormonal imbalances. Your body wouldn't be tolerant to caffeine when you consume it too much. If you drink excessive amounts of caffeine, you should stop before you encounter the noticeable effects. They forgive. Mentally strong people realize that life is much better if you let go of grudges and forgive even those who never apologized. Grudges cause unpleasant experiences from your past to spoil the enjoyment of today. Hate and anger are negative emotions and should be avoided. Holding a grudge also has several destructive consequences such as depression and can have a disastrous result, both physically and mentally. The purpose of forgiveness is to liberate yourself from being victimized by someone else. They're relentlessly positive. For some period of time, hold your attention on the news, and you'll see that it's all one endless loop of war, violent attacks, weak economies, struggling industries, and ecological disasters. It's easy to conclude that the world is simply going downward. And who knows? Probably it is. But people who are mentally strong don't worry about it, and they're not wrapped up with stuff they can't handle. They concentrate their energy on directing the two things that are fully within their control, their attention and their effort, instead of attempting to launch a revolution overnight. They're emotionally intelligent. Know someone who just can't seem to understand anyone else's point of view. Maybe they find it difficult to realize why people feel a certain way, or just can never read a room. Well, they might have low emotional intelligence. It can be challenging to understand why you feel a certain way because the response is not instantly obvious. Although the skill comes to some more naturally than others, the ability to recognize and appreciate yourself is considered emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence extends beyond only acknowledging your own emotions, but also means possessing a better understanding of the feelings of others around you and the capacity to empathize with the situation of someone else. Emotional intelligence is the cornerstone of mental toughness. Without the ability to completely recognize and accept strong negative emotions and do something positive with them, you cannot be emotionally tough. Ultimately, moments that test your mental strength test your emotional intelligence. Mental toughness is not an innate quality bestowed upon a select few. It can be achieved and enjoyed. What else makes people mentally tough? How many of these 10 qualities describe you? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below.
If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. That means a lot to us, and this way you are helping the channel to grow. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click the notification bell. You can check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.